Hi everyone, and welcome back to Simple Understanding channel. I'm excited to have you here for our CSCP Certified Supply Chain Professional Preparation course. This is another module of the 8-module series, and I hope you're enjoying the journey so far. To make your studies easier, I put together some great resources that you can download from the description below. First, you'll find comprehensive study PDFs, over 200 pages packed with everything you need to succeed, from supply chain fundamentals to advanced strategies. Second, there's a bunch of multiple-choice questions, complete with detailed answers to help you get familiar with the exam format and level of difficulty. Finally, check out the glossary of 400-plus key terms, all grouped by module, so you can easily follow along and track your progress. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Be sure to check out the CSCP playlist for the previous modules, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Let's get started. Module 2, Global Supply Chain Networks. Section A, Supply Chain Design and Optimization. Overview. Supply chain design and optimization focuses on developing efficient, cost-effective supply chains that are adaptable to changing market conditions. This involves strategic decisions on the structure, processes, and systems of the supply chain, while ensuring alignment with business goals. Optimizing the supply chain can enhance customer satisfaction, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. Let's expand on the key points in this section with detailed explanations and examples. Key topics. 1. Strategic supply chain design. Explanation. Strategic supply chain design is the process of creating a supply chain network that aligns with a company's long-term objectives. It involves selecting suppliers, manufacturing facilities, distribution centers, and transportation routes. The goal is to design a network that meets demand efficiently while minimizing costs and risks. Example: Procter & Gamble optimized its supply chain by consolidating its manufacturing plants and distribution centers globally. This helped reduce operational costs while ensuring better service delivery across different markets. 2. Supply chain configuration. Explanation. This involves deciding on the number, size, location, and capacities of supply chain facilities such as factories, warehouses, and distribution centers. It also includes deciding the flow of products and information across the supply chain. Example: Amazon has strategically placed fulfillment centers around major cities globally to reduce shipping times and costs. This configuration allows for faster delivery while keeping inventory management efficient. 3. Cost-benefit analysis in supply chain design. Explanation. This step involves evaluating the costs of various supply chain configurations and determining the benefits of each option. It includes analyzing factors such as production, transportation, warehousing, and inventory costs, and balancing them with customer service levels and profitability. Example: Walmart uses its vast distribution network to keep costs low. They conduct a thorough cost-benefit analysis to choose optimal locations for their distribution centers, balancing low operational costs with high service efficiency. 4. Risk management in supply chain design. Explanation. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks in the supply chain. This can include risks from supply disruptions, fluctuating demand, political instability, natural disasters, and financial instability. Companies need to build resilient supply chains that can withstand disruptions. Example: Toyota adopted a just-in-time JIT inventory system, but after the 2011 earthquake in Japan, they realized the vulnerability of their supply chain. Toyota restructured their supply chain to mitigate risks by diversifying suppliers and building a buffer inventory for critical components. 5. Supply chain flexibility. Explanation. Flexibility in supply chain design ensures that a company can quickly respond to changes in customer demand, market conditions, or disruptions. This requires building agile supply chains that can scale up or down based on external factors. Example: Zara is known for its agile supply chain. By keeping much of its production in Europe, Zara is able to adjust production quickly based on changing fashion trends and customer demand, reducing lead times and excess inventory. 6. Technology and digitalization in supply chain optimization. Explanation: leveraging digital tools such as supply chain management software, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analytics helps optimize supply chains by improving visibility, reducing lead times, and making data-driven decisions. Technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, provide real-time monitoring of supply chain activities. Example: UPS uses advanced route optimization software called Orion, on-road integrated optimization and navigation, which helps their drivers choose the most efficient routes, saving fuel, reducing emissions, and improving delivery times. 7. Sustainability in supply chain design. Explanation: modern supply chains must incorporate sustainability to reduce environmental impact. This includes minimizing carbon footprints, reducing waste, and adopting eco-friendly practices such as energy-efficient transportation and sustainable sourcing. Example: Unilever has committed to making its supply chain more sustainable by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and sourcing raw materials responsibly. This initiative has improved their brand image and helped them meet regulatory requirements in various countries. 8. Globalization and localization in supply chains. Explanation: supply chains must balance globalization, leveraging global suppliers and markets, with localization, customizing products and services to local markets. This balance allows companies to achieve economies of scale while addressing local market needs. Example: McDonald's uses a global supply chain for core ingredients like beef and potatoes, but localizes its menu to suit regional tastes, such as offering vegetarian options in India. This combination allows them to standardize operations while meeting local preferences. 9. Supply chain collaboration and integration. Explanation: collaboration with suppliers, customers, and third-party logistics providers, 3PLs, is essential for creating an integrated and efficient supply chain. Sharing information across the supply chain network enables better coordination and alignment of goals. Example: Dell operates a highly integrated supply chain where real-time information is shared with suppliers. This allows them to build customized computers to order, reducing inventory levels and ensuring faster delivery to customers. 10. Continuous improvement and optimization. Explanation: continuous improvement involves constantly analyzing and refining the supply chain to eliminate inefficiencies, reduce costs, and improve performance. Lean management principles and Six Sigma methodologies are often used to identify areas of improvement. Example: Nike constantly seeks to optimize its supply chain by adopting lean manufacturing techniques, resulting in reduced lead times, lower inventory, and fewer defects. This continuous improvement allows Nike to maintain a competitive advantage. Summary: in this section, we explored the fundamental concepts of supply chain design and optimization, which include strategic design, risk management, flexibility, and sustainability. Companies like Procter & Gamble, Amazon, and Zara provide real-world examples of how strategic decisions can lead to more efficient and responsive supply chains. By leveraging digital technologies, managing risks, and integrating sustainability, organizations can optimize their supply chains to meet evolving customer demands while keeping costs low and improving performance. These principles not only enhance supply chain resilience, but also create a competitive advantage in global markets. Let's take a small practice test for Section A. 1. Which of the following is an essential goal of supply chain design? A. Minimizing costs only. B. Maximizing customer service at any cost. C. Balancing efficiency and flexibility. D. Eliminating all suppliers. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The main goal of supply chain design is to balance efficiency with flexibility to meet varying customer needs. 2. What is a key consideration when optimizing a global supply chain network? A. Reducing the number of suppliers. B. Considering global trade regulations. C. Increasing the distance between facilities. D. Focusing solely on the cost of raw materials. Correct answer B. Explanation. Global trade regulations affect transportation, customs, and overall supply chain efficiency. 3. Which factor is critical when deciding on the location of new distribution centers? A. Proximity to customer markets. B. Proximity to suppliers. C. Workforce availability. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. Explanation. All of these factors, proximity to customers, suppliers, and workforce availability, are important in facility location. 4. What is the impact of supply chain optimization on lead times? A. Lead times increase. B. Lead times decrease. C. Lead times remain constant. D. Lead times fluctuate more frequently. Correct answer B. Explanation. Optimizing the supply chain generally reduces lead times by improving processes and eliminating bottlenecks. 5. When designing a supply chain for resilience, which strategy is most effective? Relying on a single supplier. B. Implementing a dual sourcing strategy. C. Reducing inventory levels. D. Outsourcing all functions to third parties. Correct answer B. Explanation. Dual sourcing ensures that the company has an alternative source of supply in case of disruptions. 6. How does supply chain design influence a company's competitive advantage? A. By focusing solely on cost-cutting. B. By enhancing product delivery speed and reliability. C. By limiting customer interaction. D. By reducing product quality. Correct answer B. Explanation. A well-designed supply chain enhances delivery speed and reliability, strengthening a company's competitive edge. 7. What role do technological advancements play in supply chain optimization? They make supply chains more rigid. B. They allow for greater visibility and automation. C. They reduce the need for planning. D. They increase transportation costs. Correct answer B. Explanation. Technologies like automation and visibility tools improve decision-making and efficiency in supply chain operations. 8. What is a potential risk of focusing solely on cost reduction in supply chain design? A. Increased customer satisfaction. B. Reduced supply chain agility. C. Lower transportation costs. D. Improve supplier relationships. Correct answer B. Explanation. Focusing solely on cost reduction can limit agility, making it harder to adapt to sudden changes in demand or supply. 9. Which factor is most important in determining the flexibility of a supply chain network? A. Supplier diversity. B. Facility location. C. Inventory levels. D. Customer base. Correct answer A. Explanation. Supplier diversity increases flexibility by offering alternatives in case of disruption in one supplier. 10. How can companies mitigate the risks associated with global supply chains? A. By centralizing production in one location. B. By diversifying suppliers and locations. C. By using only local suppliers. D. By reducing inventory levels. Correct answer B. Explanation. Diversifying suppliers and production locations reduces the risks related to disruptions in global supply chains. Section B. End-to-end connectivity and visibility. Overview. End-to-end connectivity and visibility in supply chains focus on ensuring that all stakeholders across the supply chain have access to accurate, real-time information. This transparency helps businesses monitor processes, anticipate potential disruptions, and make informed decisions quickly. In today's global, complex supply chains, visibility enables better coordination, risk mitigation, and efficiency. Key topics. 1. Importance of real-time data sharing. Explanation. Sharing real-time data across the supply chain allows stakeholders to monitor inventory levels, shipment status, demand changes, and supplier performance. Real-time visibility enables businesses to respond quickly to any disruptions or changes, reducing risks. Example: Walmart has pioneered real-time data sharing with its suppliers through its Retail Link system. This allows suppliers to see inventory levels in Walmart stores, helping them replenish stock more efficiently and avoid stockouts. 2. Supply chain connectivity. Explanation. Connectivity ensures that all systems, from manufacturing to distribution, are interconnected and able to communicate seamlessly. Technologies like cloud computing and Internet of Things, IoT, play a key role in enabling this interconnectivity. Example: Coca-Cola has implemented a connected supply chain system that integrates data from its factories, suppliers, and distribution centers, allowing real-time tracking of production and logistics operations. 3. Use of IoT and sensors in supply chains. Explanation. IoT devices, such as GPS trackers and temperature sensors, provide real-time data about the condition and location of goods in transit. This helps companies ensure product quality, especially for perishable goods, and optimize delivery routes. Example: Maersk uses IoT sensors to monitor the condition of refrigerated containers, reefers, that transport perishable goods. These sensors provide data on temperature, humidity, and door status, ensuring product integrity throughout the journey. 4. Supply chain visibility software. Explanation. Visibility software integrates data from various parts of the supply chain, providing a single platform where businesses can track the movement of goods, manage inventory, and predict potential disruptions. This software helps companies make more informed decisions based on real-time information. Example: Nike uses a cloud-based supply chain visibility platform that allows it to track shipments, monitor supplier performance, and predict inventory shortages. This system helps them maintain efficiency across their global supply chain network. 5. Predictive analytics for supply chain visibility. Explanation. Predictive analytics uses historical and real-time data to anticipate supply chain trends, potential disruptions, and demand fluctuations. This allows companies to take proactive measures, such as rerouting shipments or adjusting inventory levels. Example: Unilever employs predictive analytics to forecast demand and plan its supply chain operations accordingly. This has enabled the company to reduce excess inventory, optimize production schedules, and avoid disruptions caused by unpredictable market conditions. 6. Blockchain for end-to-end visibility. Explanation. Blockchain technology offers a decentralized, secure, and transparent method for tracking goods across the entire supply chain. It records transactions in an immutable ledger, ensuring data integrity and enhancing trust among supply chain partners. Example: IBM and Walmart partnered to use blockchain technology to track food products from farm to shelf. This system provides end-to-end visibility, ensuring food safety and enabling quicker recalls in case of contamination. 7. Enhance collaboration through connectivity. Explanation. End-to-end connectivity fosters better collaboration between suppliers, manufacturers, logistics providers, and customers. By sharing data and insights, all parties can align their operations, reduce delays, and improve overall supply chain performance. Example: Procter & Gamble, P&G shares data with its suppliers and distributors to synchronize supply chain activities. This collaboration has helped P&G reduce lead times and improve service levels while maintaining lower inventory levels. 8. Managing risks with end-to-end visibility. Explanation. Visibility helps businesses identify and mitigate risks in real time, such as delays, quality issues, or supply chain disruptions. By having a clear view of the entire supply chain, companies can take preventive actions to minimize risks. Example: Apple leverages supply chain visibility to monitor its suppliers for risks such as labor disputes, natural disasters, and compliance issues. This proactive approach helps Apple avoid costly disruptions in its global supply chain. 9. Customer satisfaction and transparency. Explanation. Providing visibility to customers, such as tracking information for deliveries or status updates on orders, enhances customer satisfaction. Customers appreciate transparency, which builds trust and loyalty. Example: Amazon provides customers with real-time tracking information for their orders, allowing them to see exactly when their package will arrive. This transparency improves the customer experience and builds loyalty to the brand. 10. Challenges in achieving end-to-end visibility. Explanation. Despite its benefits, achieving full visibility can be challenging due to fragmented systems, data silos, and lack of standardization across the supply chain. Overcoming these challenges requires significant investment in technology and collaboration among all supply chain participants. Example: General Motors faces challenges in achieving complete visibility in its complex, multi-tiered supply chain. To address this, the company has invested in digital tools and developed closer relationships with its suppliers to enhance visibility across its global operations. Summary: End-to-end connectivity and visibility are essential for managing modern supply chains effectively. By utilizing technologies such as IoT, predictive analytics, and blockchain, companies like Walmart, Maersk, and Unilever are improving real-time data sharing, risk management, and collaboration across the supply chain. This transparency not only enhances operational efficiency, but also improves customer satisfaction by providing real-time information. Despite challenges, businesses that invest in visibility systems gain a competitive edge by making data-driven decisions and responding more effectively to market dynamics. Let's take a sample practice test for Section B. 1. What is a key benefit of end-to-end connectivity in a supply chain? A. Increased inventory. B. Reduced supply chain visibility. C. Improved decision-making through real-time data. D. Longer lead times. Correct answer: C. Explanation. End-to-end connectivity provides real-time data across the entire supply chain, leading to better decision-making. 2. Which technology is essential for achieving end-to-end visibility in modern supply chains? A. Blockchain. B. Manual record-keeping. C. Fax machines. D. Paper-based tracking systems. Correct answer: A. Explanation. Blockchain technology enables real-time, transparent, and tamper-proof tracking throughout the supply chain. 3. Which challenge is commonly associated with achieving end-to-end visibility? A. Increased data transparency. B. Integration of disparate systems. C. Reduced collaboration among partners. D. Faster decision-making. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Achieving end-to-end visibility often requires integrating various systems, which can be complex. 4. How does end-to-end connectivity help improve supply chain resilience? It makes the supply chain slower. B. It allows for early identification of disruptions. C. It reduces communication between departments. D. It increases supplier dependency. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Connectivity ensures real-time information flow, allowing companies to detect and respond to disruptions early. 5. What role does IoT, Internet of Things, play in supply chain visibility? A. It automates decision-making. B. It enables real-time tracking of assets. C. It reduces the need for supply chain planning. D. It removes the need for human intervention. Correct answer, B. Explanation. IoT allows real-time tracking of shipments, vehicles, and assets across the supply chain. 6. What is the result of greater end-to-end visibility for a company's supply chain partners? A. Better collaboration. B. Less data sharing. C. Increased manual processing. D. Slower information flow. Correct answer. A. Explanation. Enhanced visibility fosters better collaboration and trust between supply chain partners. 7. Which of the following best describes supply chain visibility? A. Knowing only the location of suppliers. B. Understanding every aspect of the supply chain. C. Having a general idea of supply chain costs. D. Relying on outdated data to make decisions. Correct answer. B. Explanation. Supply chain visibility means having real-time, accurate information about all aspects of the supply chain. 8. How can end-to-end visibility lead to improved customer satisfaction? A. By reducing transparency. B. By identifying disruptions faster. C. By increasing manual interventions. D. By reducing the speed of delivery. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Real-time visibility helps companies detect issues early, enabling faster resolutions and better service. 9. What is a major obstacle to achieving full end-to-end connectivity in global supply chains? A. Geographical distance. B. Language barriers. C. Lack of standardized technology platforms. D. High employee turnover. Correct answer, C. Explanation. A lack of standardized platforms across different regions makes it difficult to achieve seamless connectivity. 10. How does digitalization improve end-to-end visibility in supply chains? A. It eliminates manual processes. B. It increases lead times. C. It helps make data more accessible and actionable. D. It decreases data accuracy. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Digitalization improves accessibility and accuracy of supply chain data, making it easier to take timely actions. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who may benefit. Your support really makes a difference. Let's get back to it. Section C. Supply chain metrics and reports. Overview. Supply chain metrics and reports are essential tools for assessing the performance, efficiency, and effectiveness of supply chain operations. These metrics help organizations track key performance indicators, KPIs, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement. Reports generated from these metrics provide insights into how well the supply chain aligns with the company's goals, offering transparency and a basis for optimization. Let's explore the key points of this section with detailed explanations and real-world examples. Key topics. 1. Importance of key performance indicators, KPIs. Explanation. KPIs are measurable values that indicate how well a supply chain is performing in critical areas such as cost, service, and time. Common KPIs include on-time delivery, order accuracy, inventory turnover, and cost per order. Example. Amazon tracks its order-to-ship time as a key KPI, ensuring they meet their fast shipping promises. Their goal is to deliver packages as quickly as possible, which enhances customer satisfaction. 2. Inventory turnover rate. Explanation. The inventory turnover rate measures how often a company sells and replaces its stock over a given period. It reflects how well inventory is managed and how efficiently the supply chain operates. Example. Apple maintains a high inventory turnover rate by constantly innovating and launching new products, which helps avoid excess inventory and obsolescence. By optimizing inventory, they reduce holding costs while meeting demand efficiently. 3. Perfect order rate. Explanation. The perfect order rate measures the percentage of orders delivered without any errors, such as damaged goods, incorrect items, or late shipments. A high perfect order rate indicates excellent supply, chain efficiency, and customer service. Example: Coca-Cola closely monitors its perfect order rate to ensure that its beverages reach distributors without issues. Maintaining a high rate reduces the need for costly returns or replacements and keeps customers satisfied. 4. Order cycle time. Explanation. Order cycle time measures the total time from when a customer places an order to when the order is delivered. Reducing order cycle time enhances customer satisfaction and improves supply chain efficiency. Example: Zara is known for its short order cycle time. By manufacturing most of its products close to its distribution centers in Europe, Zara can quickly fulfill customer orders, allowing them to respond rapidly to fashion trends. 5. Cost to serve. Explanation. Cost to serve calculates the total cost of delivering a product to a customer, including manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, and handling costs. This metric helps companies identify the true profitability of serving different customers or channels. Example: Nestle uses cost-to-serve analysis to determine which customers or regions are more profitable. By understanding these costs, they can optimize pricing strategies or renegotiate terms with less profitable customers. 6. Supplier performance metrics. Explanation. Supplier performance metrics evaluate the reliability and efficiency of suppliers in meeting quality, delivery, and cost expectations. Metrics like supplier lead time, defect rates, and on-time delivery rates are commonly tracked. Example: Toyota rigorously tracks supplier performance through its Supplier Quality Assurance (SQA) system, ensuring that parts arrive on time and meet the high-quality standards necessary for their production lines. 7. Freight and transportation metrics. Explanation. These metrics measure the efficiency and cost of logistics and transportation within the supply chain. Metrics like freight cost per unit, on-time delivery, and carrier performance help optimize transportation operations. Example: FedEx monitors metrics such as average delivery time and fuel efficiency for its transportation network. This data helps them optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and improve delivery reliability. 8. Customer satisfaction metrics. Explanation. These metrics track how well the supply chain supports customer satisfaction, often measured through order accuracy, delivery speed, and post-delivery support. High customer satisfaction correlates with supply chain effectiveness. Example: Amazon uses the Net Promoter Score, NPS, to gauge customer satisfaction with their delivery services. They strive to maintain a high NPS by optimizing last-mile delivery and ensuring a seamless ordering experience. 9. Sustainability metrics. Explanation. Sustainability metrics measure the environmental impact of supply chain operations. This includes tracking carbon emissions, energy consumption, waste reduction, and the use of eco-friendly materials and processes. Example: Unilever tracks its carbon footprint and water usage across its global supply chain. By setting sustainability targets, the company works toward reducing its environmental impact while maintaining efficient operations. 10. Continuous improvement and benchmarking. Explanation. Continuous improvement requires regularly assessing supply chain performance against both internal goals and industry benchmarks. By identifying gaps, companies can make improvements that enhance efficiency and competitiveness. Example: PepsiCo continuously benchmarks its supply chain performance against industry standards. This allows them to identify areas for improvement, such as reducing delivery times or optimizing production schedules to stay competitive in the global market. Summary. Supply chain metrics and reports are crucial for evaluating performance and driving improvements. By tracking KPIs like inventory turnover, order cycle time, cost to serve, and supplier performance, companies can gain insights into their supply chain efficiency and identify areas for optimization. Real-world examples from companies like Amazon, Coca-Cola, and Toyota demonstrate the importance of these metrics in achieving operational excellence. Metrics also support continuous improvement efforts, ensuring that supply chains remain competitive, agile, and aligned with broader business objectives. Let's take a practice test for Section C. 1. What is the main purpose of supply chain metrics? To track individual employee performance. B. To monitor and improve overall supply chain efficiency. C. To increase product variety. D. To reduce supplier negotiations. Correct answer. B. Explanation. Supply chain metrics are designed to monitor, evaluate, and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the supply chain. 2. Which metric is commonly used to measure supply chain responsiveness? A. Inventory turnover. B. Perfect order rate. C. Total supply chain cost. D. Order cycle time. Correct answer D. Explanation. Order cycle time measures how quickly an order moves through the supply chain, a key indicator of responsiveness. 3. What is the significance of the perfect order rate? A. It measures the cost efficiency of manufacturing. B. It evaluates the timeliness and accuracy of order fulfillment. C. It tracks the number of defective products. D. It shows the average shipping distance. Correct answer B. Explanation. Perfect order rate measures whether orders are delivered without error and on time, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. 4. Which of the following best measures supply chain cost efficiency? A. Total landed cost. B. Forecast accuracy. C. Supplier lead time. D. Fill rate. Correct answer. A. Explanation. Total landed cost measures the total cost of getting a product to a destination, capturing the cost efficiency of the supply chain. 5. How is cash-to-cash cycle time relevant to supply chain performance? A. It measures the speed of customer order processing. B. It tracks the time between outlay of cash and cash recovery. C. It monitors the number of late orders. D. It measures inventory shrinkage. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Cash-to-cash cycle time shows how long it takes for a company to convert investments in inventory into cash from sales, impacting liquidity and efficiency. 6. What does a high inventory turnover indicate in a supply chain? A. Overstocking of products. B. Poor supply chain planning. C. Efficient use of inventory. D. Longer lead times. Correct answer. C. Explanation. High inventory turnover indicates efficient management of inventory and strong sales performance. 7. Why is forecast accuracy critical to supply chain metrics? A. It affects production scheduling. B. It does not impact the supply chain. C. It only matters to suppliers. D. It has no effect on inventory levels. Correct answer. A. Explanation. Forecast accuracy affects production scheduling, inventory levels, and overall supply chain efficiency. 8. Which supply chain metric directly impacts customer satisfaction? A. Order cycle time. B. Inventory shrinkage. C. Supplier diversity. D. Number of suppliers. Correct answer. A. Explanation. Order cycle time is directly related to customer satisfaction, as it measures how quickly customers receive their orders. 9. What is the purpose of using key performance indicators, KPIs, in supply chain management? A. To assess the financial performance of employees. B. To gauge the effectiveness of supply chain processes. C. To reduce the number of suppliers. D. To increase production times. Correct answer B. Explanation. KPIs are used to evaluate the performance of supply chain processes and identify areas for improvement. 10. What does the term fill rate refer to in supply chain metrics? A. The number of suppliers involved. B. The percentage of customer demand met without delay. C. The time taken to fill orders. D. The amount of inventory stored. Correct answer B. Explanation. Fill rate refers to the percentage of customer demand that is satisfied without delay, reflecting the supply chain's ability to meet demand. Thanks so much for sticking with me until the end. I'm really glad to have you here. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the study materials. You'll find everything you need to succeed. Also, be sure to watch the previous modules in the CSCP playlist and stay tuned for the next ones. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and brings more valuable resources your way. Until next time, keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next module.